So Lee's story was so interesting as well. And really, he created Cereset out of necessity. He was assaulted by three youths with a baseball bat when he was actually acting as a pastor in San Francisco at the time. And he suffered a traumatic brain injury, and as a result, experienced all sorts of issues: insomnia, emotional issues, cognitive issues. And so he began this 8-year journey of trying to fix himself. And he tried all sorts of different things: neurofeedback and counseling and therapy. And he saw little bits of improvement here and there, but it was nothing that he was looking as far as getting back to where he wasn't able to do that. And so he did have an engineering background. And he started to think, well, what would happen if I just looked at my own brain? So he got just some rudimentary EEG materials and started measuring his own brain activity and started making these correlations of, hey, when my brain is asymmetrical, when my left hemisphere is not firing with my right hemisphere, I'm angry, I'm upset, I'm stressed, I'm anxious, and started to make all these correlations. And so then, of course, the next question was, what happens if I'm able to synchronize those hemispheres again?